Navigating your State Farm commercial insurance payments is simpler than you think, and we're here to show you exactly how. First up, let's talk about the most convenient method: online payments. Head over to the official State Farm website, look for the Customers or Sign-in section and select the option for logging into your business account. If you haven't set up an online account yet, there will be a clear option to register. Once you're logged in, you'll typically find a Make a Payment or Pay My Bill section here. You'll need your policy number, which is crucial. You'll also likely need your account number or a verification code, often found on your billing statement. State Farm usually offers direct debit from your bank account, credit, or debit card. Simply select your preferred payment method, enter the required details, confirm the amount, and submit your payment. You should receive an immediate confirmation on screen and via email. Prefer to speak with someone? Paying by phone is another excellent option. You'll need to find the dedicated State Farm customer service number for business policies. Again, have your policy number, account number, and your payment information ready. A customer service representative will guide you through the process, verify your information, and process your payment over the phone. This method is great if you had any questions or need personalized assistance with your bill. And for those who prefer a traditional approach, mailing in your payment is always an option. Your State Farm billing statement will clearly indicate the mailing address for payments. Make sure to include your policy number on the memo line of your check or money order to ensure it's applied correctly to your account. It's always a good idea to make a copy of your check for your records. Allow ample time for mail delivery and processing to avoid any late fees. No matter which method you choose, having your State Farm commercial policy number, billing statement, and payment details easily accessible will make the entire process smooth and efficient. Keep your policy up to date and your business protected.